Guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. Now for today's video, we are back with the beautiful Scirocco. And we have got two subtle but seductive changes today. They are actually in the boot, so let me actually... Oh, it's fucking locked. Let's quickly... You lied, mate. Right then guys, so just before this video starts, I just want to let you guys know about an upcoming video, which is right there. You guys have been waiting 4 months for this. I've literally been...
4 months?
4 months.
Not 4, as in for months.
4 months. This is the next video on the channel, so if you're not subscribed already, what the fuck are you doing? I'll karate chop
Is it?
your fucking head off, right? If you don't subscribe. Anyway. So yeah, that is right. We have actually got the Cobra exhaust ready to install on the car. That's gonna be the next video. Let's quickly open this parcel first, and then we'll get onto that. So now that the box is open, we can actually get the package out. A lot of you guys actually wanted me to get these for the car, but pretty much it's as simple as black badges for the car to replace the front and back, and they look sexy. Gee, they look saucy, they do. That is going today, and the massive fuck off one on the front is going today. I think that this is going to look super saucy. Going to tie in nicely with these little black bits. But yeah, pretty much I think you just pop that open, stick a screwdriver in there, and just wish that you don't damage the car. There we go, lads. Quite simple to come off. It just literally clips into place in these like 5, 6, 7. It looks like a fucking Illuminati sign, but hey yo, it didn't break it. Happy days. Didn't break it, dance. Right, so here is actually the old one with the backing plate, and here is the new one with the backing plate. So they're the same size. Just need to get this installed now. Pretty much, hopefully, it's as simple as just pushing it in. Now, I'm going to really try and get this on. Literally, that took me at least 30 minutes to get that back on. Damn, look at that. Jeez. Don't know if it's worth £30, but I'll take it, I'll take it. Works super well as a gloss black. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got something in my shorts that's just for this car. What we need to do, this is stuck on by like glue or something, or donkey spunk or something, I don't know, but pretty much we need to extremely heat this up using my 14-pound heat gun, and then we can just basically rip it off, stick the new one on, which is just normal adhesive. So let's do this. It's actually lifted a little bit, so well fucking whoop-de bloody do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lift the gasket up. Oh, lovely. Now, we're gonna have to get all of this shit off. That was quite easy though. Time for the new Volkswagen badge. Let's quickly, just like that. That is looking nice now. Oh, look at that. Very, very nice. Look, it kind of matches with this black little grille, gloss black thing. Anyway, let's move on to the next mod. This is actually carbon fibre mirror caps. So this will actually replace my current purple mirror cap. If we come over to the Corsa that used to be mine, if you guys didn't know, we've got a white and black car, and then we've got carbon fibre mirror caps. These are actually hydro dipped, so they don't look as good, but I think that this is going to look sick on a purple car. So, goodbye old ones, and hello carbon fibre ones. So yeah, here is the old one, which is just nice and purple. If anybody wants this, hit me up. I think it's just like this. Oh yes. look at that bad boy. But literally, there it is. What do you guys think? I think that this one is so much better than the Hydro Dipped one. Quickly get this one off, just like, voila. Look at that. I'm in love with these mirrors. Ooh. Like I said, guys, it is the little things about cars. These little things are going to be the ones that like proper stand out when this car's all done. Let me know what you guys think about this carbon fibre mirror. Literally, obviously it's not real carbon fibre, but they look sick from a distance. Up close you can tell they're kind of like, they look like something out of a bloody McDonald's Happy Meal. Oh, they're juicy, they are. And they're extremely glossy as well. Right then, guys.
Turn the brightness up on this.
That is unfortunately it. So, look at this. Boom. Black badge on the car. What do you think of that, Chloe?
I think it's pretty cool. I think it'll look good when you've got all of the splitter and stuff, yeah.
Here is the carbon fibre mirrors. I think they look really cool. Some of them, they have like silver mirrors, the Golf R's and stuff. They look sick, but because it's not a Golf R or a Scirocco R. Got them so far. That looks stealthy as well. And if you had a black Scirocco, that would look sick. You know what? I even care about my flipping plastics. I wax this, I wax the badges. So it's actually all nice and protected now. A very short video, but like I said, we've got to do the small modifications. Also gives you guys a bit of an idea of what to do. Black badges and mirror caps. I think that's it. They look sexy, they do. Anyway, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Car is starting to take shape now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you faces in my next Cobra exhaust video.
Pow!